Hello, welcome back to another video, and I can tell you guys been liking the black light ones, so I'm gonna try that again. Ready? I'm gonna go grab some. You wanna see the one and only one? That's what you're probably looking for. Okay, I'm just starting off with 3. So, yeah. Look at all my posters. Okay, let's start with Iggy. Whoa! That is so cool. Oh my. Okay, Z. You might not see him. Oh my. He is actually glowing. He's actually glowing. Papyrus. He's glowing too. Let's move on to the next row. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Yeah, want to see my Christmas tree? Right there. Let's get Dogman. Sorry. It's Snow Owl. Gangster, I know. From the first one, go check that out. Bowser. Oh, I'm so sorry you can't see. Squirtle and Blue Gorilla. Oh, you can kind of see. I'm just gonna say you can see. Okay, I'm not doing that on purpose. Dogman. I don't like the blue stuff. Norwal. Oh, he's actually kind of glowing everywhere. Squirtle. I'm not even gonna guess. No, I'm gonna try Blue Gorilla. I am see you sleeping. Now Bowser. Oh my! Look at Bowser! Look at Bowser! Look at that! Oh my! Let's see. Over here, Snow Owl. Just same thing. Gangster, which is probably nothing. Oh, I can see. I see what it is. It's this stuff. Okay, last but not least, we have Squirtle. It's the same as all of them. I'm gonna go grab the next row, and that'll be it. Grab our bro Saber. Blinky. Bakugo Monkey. You're gonna see him a lot. He's our villain. Daisy. And Lamb. And just Chica. Yeah, I made that today. Right there. Let's go back. We're going back. Let's go back. We are going back today. Look at them. They're still on the ground. Okay. Saber. Aw, he doesn't work. Oh my. I see you. Bakugo, he's probably not gonna work either. He looks so old. Look at that. Look at it. Bro, he's mad. Look at it. Oh, that's funny. Daisy. Just blue parts. Who else did we get? Blinky. That's cute. Who else did we get? Chica. Cool. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. This came out about 8:55. So at that time, this will be like a day old tomorrow. But thank you for all the support I had for my videos. And I love you guys so much. make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, and Saber wishes you a Merry Christmas.